has already, yes, you may clap.
I talk about vice presidential debate. Me not call no name, but he name rhyme with ants. I'm in a trouble people in.
The social media countdown. Okay. Yeah. All right, we're not getting no more. Alexa, stop. You know, every week me and Alexa on this countdown. Anyway, box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another social media countdown. Now today we're not giving you a top 5, we're not getting a top 6, we're not only getting a bra. Because I love you. Well, anyway, because I love y'all that much. So we have 6 topics to jump into. Some of it is a follow-up on the Monday social media countdown. So you don't want to miss it, okay? So just go on, go relax, get yourself ready, because it's now time for another social media countdown.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune it to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them. So me, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, see.
Number 6, taxi, sprint, me robot. All right, now, burritos know. So this lady, this video was, boy, it have my heartstring a pull. This lady, you know, she jumped in her taxi because she did a try to go to her workplace. Now, according to the Jamaican Gleaner, this would have been a regular, like a 15-minute journey, but it was not to be so. After police, you know, policemen spot that it was an illegal taxi, try to go and apprehend the driver, but the driver was not going to give up without a fight. Take a look.
Make we come out! Driver, make we come out! Make we come out! Hurry up! Make we come out, yes, sir!
What were you thinking during that ordeal? What were you thinking was going to happen to you?
I'm dead now.
I heard that you were in a horrible situation this morning.
Yes, sir.
And I care to learn. All right. What initially happened? You took this car. Where were you heading? You were heading to work or you were just going somewhere?
No, I was heading to work this morning.
Mm-hmm.
And I almost reached Mother's. So I said to the driver.
Almost reached
Mother's downtown.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I said to the driver, I'm coming off at Mother's. And he said, okay.
Mm-hmm.
But I realized that all of a sudden, he might wind up the 4 windows with me and another female in there. I was at the back and the other female was at the front.
Mm-hmm.
But we not paying no mind because we know that when them near fresh downtown, do to downtown, hot and them are go park to get passenger, them power up the AC.
Okay.
So when I look now, I realized that I saw 2 policemen surround the vehicle with a police van with other police in there coming out, so forth. So I hear the man say, "How the F them realize they are me?" Then the police say, "Come out of the vehicle." That's the way I said to the man, say, "For come out of the vehicle." And the man I say, "Nah, come out." And the police I say, "Beat the vehicle." And I say, "Open up your vehicle." And he said, "Nah, open it." So me and the girl I say, "Do driver, let we out." No, me nah let you know out. When we look now, the driver reverse and look up in one other man vehicle. Then he must try to escape out of the traffic. Him escape while we are driving, him gone mad. He meet up in one local accident with another vehicle. Instead, him stop and we a ball, I beg him to stop and let we out and go where I go. Him still continue the journey.
No, man, that is the type of scream where Rosie did that talk about when she said she hears Prince screaming. Like, that is the sound of like somebody who is definitely fearing for their life. And so at the end of it now, the driver never did that let up, you know. He was not letting up. The lady literally, I forgot, bail out of the vehicle and got sustain some injuries to her body.
And then when I reach up by Mullines, and me see him take one sidewalk, that is how I jump out, and he jump out. Some people come and take me up and brush me off and give me water. And give me a chair to sit down.
Okay, and then you call your employers?
Yeah, then I call them.
Is it because of what you would have seen before other persons and taxi and police chase? Why that heightened your fear that as I say, me dead now? That's what you thought? You thought they were going to shoot up the vehicle? What was what did you think was going to happen? It was going to crash?
No, the first thing that came to my mind, I thought they was gonna shoot up the vehicle.
Okay.
But then when I realized that the police are just chasing and they're not firing any shot, I said maybe them say no man, a female them in the vehicle. We're not gonna do that.
Okay.
But when me see man lick up in the vehicle them now and care and I take one way and me say yes father, me dead now. Cause him no care, and when him a look up in the vehicle, them and me I beg him say fi stop. Him tell me straight say him nah stop.
So
I don't know why them a do them something because them know them not straight, them a robot and
No, man. Honestly, this is just a very sad and unfortunate situation, but it is not the first time. There have been several social media countdowns where I've spoken about this because, I don't know, I don't know, the police, them are always try to spot the illegal taxi them and the taxi them now go stop. If they are driving, them are going to go faster. It's going to become a high-speed chase and it's going to endanger the passenger's life. And so all I have to say is just be careful of the taxi men them that you travel with. You have to make sure you say people where have a reputation, have a certain standard, and are at least law-abiding. So you can, limit these occurrences. So burritos, let me know, has something like this ever happened to you? Sound off below. Number 5, Drummy responds. Me. Oh, gosh, Jesus Christ. Sorry. Boy, it just hurt me. This is the knuckle, right? Yeah, this is the knuckle. Boy, I need to see my elbow. Sometimes my brain's slowing and I feel really wonder, like, how I reach here so? Oh, I really reach here. So this is a mess. But you have one little song. Wait, name again. You have a song about the body parts. But the neck bone connected to you. Or the neck. Your shoulder. Yeah. Oh, your shoulder bone. Yes, clear. Your neck bone connected to you. Shoulder bone and your shoulder bone connected to you. Like someone that help me this song? Elbow bone. The elbow bone and your elbow bone connected to you. Wrist bone in the air, the name of the Lord. I remember, I know what song goes so. Burritos remind me in the comments so I can sing it for the next social media countdown. Okay, and so the drummer that was on stage during Pablo YG's Sumfest performance has decided to speak out, right? So during the set when Pablo did do him thing, Pablo never really liked him change the vibe and change the momentum. So Pablo addressed it while on stage. And so now the drummer is sharing his 2 cents. Take a listen.
Drummer speaks out about the incident with Pablo YG on Reggae Sumfest. Friday or Saturday night. So, incident with Pablo you perform as an art.
Okay, Drummy, but like say actually talk about, your experience and like how you go. And I feel like both people are right. Like there is a way how you practice in rehearsals, but then just as a seasoned performer and knowing the stage, most of the time as a creative, you feel one way upon Monday, and upon Tuesday is a different vibe and energy where you bring. And so I guess the drummer wanted to match that. But Pablo didn't want it to just stay the course, regardless of how he might have changed up things from the rehearsal. And I just like to the drummer talk about it because sometimes, sometimes there's a time for you to actually answer back and to clap back at people, but it's just, if you feel the need to or when it is your own timing. So Burritos, let me know, are you still on the side of Pablo YG or are you in agreement with the drummer? Number 4, Cybertruck J.A. Me vroom vroom. Alright, Burritos, know when me tell you that Jamaican people have money. Money is in this little rock from uptown to downtown. Money they are all about. Where are we finding it? I do not know, but some riches there at Jam Rock. And so it is very much evident sometimes when you go like a place like a TGI and just looking at the parking lot. Sometimes it's nice for just drive around, got AC, just looking at the parking lot and you will see some car. Some car will literally work the whole of your kidney, your leg, them, and your thigh and all kind of piece of the bone, them, the whole of your mixed parts, the car them worth more than. Okay? And so this is evident with this, what do you call the car again? We just called it a while ago. What's the name again? The Cybertruck. Why is it called the Cybertruck? Is it helping to solve cybercrime? Is it? It can carry outer space or into the internet wire Wi-Fi regions of the world? So why name the Cybertruck? Like honestly, why it look like it's come out of Kim Possible or Transformers or something like that? Why name Cybertruck? You get me? Oh, it's out of the Matrix. Okay, and if I tell for that help with cybercrime, then it's bulletproof, right? Because it can't look like that and not bulletproof. To an extent. That you need the Cybertruck. Them should have available during the Tivoli incursion. That would be perfect. That is the type of that car that can be a dandy shandy down the middle. Pew, pew, pew. Just like yeah man. That is the car. Jesus Christ. And good thing with the car, yeah, you look like a vehicle like this now. Say if or the people will park up a roadside on the toll. Do it when they do. You get me? At least you know the Cybertruck, no shaking. If the truck there, if that shake while on India do nothing, yeah man, you deserve to just work in the career if you're living. Go and link up PH. I'm gonna talk about balance. Nerd alert. Anyway, so yeah man, so if you want to know a little bit about the car, we can get information right here, so. Alright, so them say, we see this on Tropics, big up Tropics by the way. So Tesla's Cybertruck has made its debut in Jamaica with not one but two gracing the island. The 2024 Tesla Cybertruck starts at, guess what? 81,895 Jamaican dollars. Wow! So we can all afford one, right? Sorry. Whoa, that's my bad actually. It's 81,895 USD and goes up to 101,000 USD depending on the trim and options. So how much Jamaican dollars that? 81,000. How much Jamaican dollars that? Rich people around me. No man, we can't really do the maths now. But we readers, we must fix it out, so it must be only for millions of dollars that I cannot afford right now. So burritos, let me know, would you be interested in purchasing one or getting one if money wasn't even a thing to consider? Sound off below. We must can't work it now, we can't play like a partner. We must by year 3,000 we must reach. Number 3, Kamala, move up. All right, burritos now, so we must hear the news because even though we talk about the Caribbean stuff them and the Jamaican stuff them, we still have international eyes. We're keeping up with the CNNs and the what is the channel name? BBC? BBCs of the world. I can't tell you a long time I don't watch that, you know. Jesus Christ. We are keeping up, right? And so Joe Biden stepped down. You know, he was about to go up against Donald Trump, and for whatever health concerns and what was happening in the Democratic Party, he decided to step down. And so now, as Cartel usually say, as one gone and next one born. And so right now, Kamala Harris has been birthed as the president-elect of the Democratic Party.
Our president, Joe Biden, wanted to be here today. He is feeling much better and recovering fast, and he looks forward to getting back on the road. And I wanted to say a few words about our president. Joe Biden's legacy of accomplishment over the past 3 years is unmatched in modern history. In one term, he has already, yes, you may clap. In one term, he has already surpassed the legacy of most presidents who have served 2 terms in office. And I first came to know President Biden through his son, Beau. We worked together as attorneys general in our states, and back then, Beau would often tell me stories about his dad. He would talk about the kind of father and the kind of man that Joe Biden is.
And so right now, it's very much exciting times ahead because the Jamaican people are running and I say, remember our grandmother, I must say our family member, Jamaican, and then I post up the picture with she when she in a Jamaica with her little girl suicide hairstyle. And so we kind of rope in a little part of the Afro right now, and Americans seem to be very excited about how things could shape up. But you know, you can't have a moment like this and a Jamaican content creator don't cover the story. And so Julie Mango did this video doing an impression of how Kamala would have reacted if she did, you know, tap into more of her Jamaican side. Take a look.
If Kamala gave her first public remarks after her Biden endorsement in her Jamaican accent.
Then the things that woman can done, but woman can't done. In a 2020, I tried for the Democratic nomination. Well, see me as Jamaicans would I say, what is for you? Yeah. It's a lot of things people have said about me over time. Them say me prosecute and persecute. Them read out my rank and file. And I talk about who me date and never date. Big up yourself, Willie B. But when them attack me, one thing me have to say to the junk for them. 51 million in 24 hours. Never! None of them are going like them are done, but them are done now. Here's some guy. I talk about vice presidential debate. Me not call no name, but he name rhyme with ants. I'm in a trouble people, you know. Alpha, Kappa, Alpha, my side. Make them know we shall debate, cause we are not all rep. What you know about me? We never watch Simpsons. When the things I'm done, the this that come.
I got tired, missing the face.
No, this is why you have to just rate Julie Mango, like always very timely, very current and effective with how she brings about it. And you can tell that she study. Because Julie look like a type of person where she will, yeah man, if she would have a superpower, she would have probably jump and take other people's superpowers. A fear superpower that because she can go into the mind of other people and just channel them very well. And so you sit down to the ear, you sit down to like the mouth movement that like, yeah man, very on brand Kamala Harris. And so, yeah man, definitely a good skit. Burritos, let me know, are you happy that Kamala might be the first female president of the United States? Sound off. Number 2, people dead. Alright, Burritos, no, I absolutely love when these interviews pop up and then reach on the social media countdown because, you know, the little bite of the week type of interview segments them, where the citizens put on a show while talking about whatever situation they have gone through. Well, this is definitely the case for this woman who decided to share fair experience. Watch.
The whole of my chicken and my pork them boil. So we not bad up nobody for get no light, but I just one little way they say this, you know. So we are look to see say the people them come and just start we up make we do with business. When the mosquito them come down 5 o'clock, it's like the rain falling out. You see later on 5 o'clock you hear the mosquito them come down. People dead! That's all you hear. And people start dead because biting some big old black something just come down. And
Why Why would I want to be any other nationality? Like, you see moments like this and you have to just love your Jamaican people because the imagery and how we bring about information, no matter how traumatic it is, it just end up hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. So, Berry, just let me know like what you thought of this interview. Sound off in the comments. And number one goes to Romeich engagement. Woo! Woo! Wow! 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 Woo! 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 Wait, so nobody there could clap? Like, wow! We actually get some worth clapping for your number one. And this is the energy. Bad mind, haters. Haters because we don't engage. We're not engaged right now. You see that? What I said? Okay. And number one goes to Romeich engagement. Woo! Man, sounds fake. Sounds fake. Can you know, come from the heart. When you clap from the heart, it sounds more. What? This sound like, you know, like when you have the awards and the Grammys and like all Jay-Z win and Kanye never win and Kanye have to just sit down and do. That is what that clap was. Me hear it. Anyway, and so I have to go and big up Romeich Entertainment, Romeich, and his, what we call her, a long-time girlfriend, Shaquille Witter. Yes. Shaquille Witter. I'm pretty hot girl, you know, little influencer dolly type. You must go and check out our TikTok page. Like, she's very funny. Like, she show off her personality there, and that's where a lot of people get to know her and love her outside of just being a pretty hot girl, right? And so, I don't know much about her, but I think at one point I did work with her for a particular execution, and she was very pleasant, very, you know, just nice, easygoing energy, and we just know, say, okay, that is definitely something that Romeich should have seen, and say, yeah, man, I like this person. She does give off, like, stability, calmness, and wifey vibes, right? And so Romeich do now and put on a very amazing and intimate proposal for her. Watch. That is it. You watch them look at something there, you just can't help but feel the feels like her mother was there. You had, it just felt intimate and she was just so happy. But you can't tell, say, my girl, you know, say it's coming up. My girl, you just know, say, yo, she not friend. Then probably would have 1 or 2 conversations. And so she know where their relationship was going because they have been traveling everywhere, anywhere. Like, the only place we think them not reach, I must say Antarctica. Because, me don't know, like, they have been traveling. And you know, if you can travel with somebody and still make it out, that's how you know the love did real. So right there, so me know, so Romeich did smart. Romeich should have test her and say, listen, see me and live with me are 2 different things. But you see me and travel with me is another something. There. So Romeich say, yo, me I carry Italy, Spain, Baghdad, Iraq, Yugoslavia, Uganda, you get me, China, Turkey, Jerusalem, carry all over the place them now. And the facts that when him done, and she say, my girl international, she continental, and me and her spirit can still agree, but I have to wife it. So Romeich, I see the plan, you did the do. So congratulations, and I hope that, you know, they'll have a successful relationship and just make sure she sincere come and she do a little singing piece at the reception as well. All right, that is that. Well, that's it. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. Please to give me a like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe, don't forget that part, as well as to follow me on all my social media platforms at Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all over at TheDuttyBerryShow. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. Why did I oh, can me wonder if this look like I'm political, so. Peace out.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune it to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them. So me, I what happened on the week, yo, just tune in.